If I'm logged into my account at Botanical, I have access to the art feed. The art feed is accessible only to Botanical subscribers, and it's unique to our website. It's a place where you can look at everyone's images that they've posted, as well as leave comments. And if you see an image you like, you can click it, make it larger, view the comments, leave a comment of your own, be supportive, offer constructive criticism, be specific about things that you like in a drawing, offer suggestions. You can even tag community members or instructors using the @ symbol. Click comment, and your comment will show up in the feed. Now, if I see someone's artwork and I want to know what other things they've done, I can click their name and it takes me to that person's portfolio where I can look at all of the other gorgeous artwork that they've posted. And I can scroll through. This person has a really full gallery, which is so fun to see. I can see their progress over time. I can load more, and I get so many more. This is a really great way to get to know the fellow members of the community, see what kind of other work that they've done. You can use that load more button as well on the art feed. If you get to the bottom and you want to see more, you could scroll through this all day, just keep loading more. There's so much there to see. You can also search the art feed for keywords such as tulip or a type of flower or fruit, and it should pull up any images that have that word in the title or have been tagged that way. So if you're interested in a particular type of plant, this is a fun way to browse the art feed. You can also search by a person's name. If you have a buddy or a friend on the art feed, you can type in their name and you can see what they've uploaded to the art feed. We really encourage all of our students to use the art feed. It's a fun place to collaborate and to get some feedback and to progress in your studies. It's also a great place to get inspiration and meet new friends. We look forward to seeing your work on the art feed. You can find more videos like these, instructional content to help you learn botanical drawing, as well as art supplies and a really fun and supportive art community at drawbotanical.com.